AirLift's WirelessOne Easy Mount is the simplest and easiest way to add safety and security to your towing vehicle. Adding AirLift air springs to your truck or SUV is only half the equation. If you want to easily control and adjust the air in the springs, you're gonna need a control kit. No longer will you have to crawl around and hunt for the Schrader valve air hose connection and manually add or remove air from your system. With the WirelessOne remote, you can easily raise or lower your truck bed with the push of a button. Air springs work by reinforcing your existing coil springs to provide more support, and with AirLift's WirelessOne system, you can easily control your adjustments. The WirelessOne system has a single path technology that equally distributes pressure for equal loads. The included upgraded compressor with the Easy Mount system also allows for faster inflate times. The new wireless digital controller allows you to easily view and operate the compressor from inside or outside the vehicle. It also offers preset memory functions for ease of use. The wireless air system is also compatible with AirLift's new mobile app, offering you even more control and convenience when controlling multiple vehicle systems from one controller. AirLift builds and tests their systems to be weather resistant and durable. If you're interested in purchasing the WirelessOne Easy Mount from AirLift or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.